Hi and welcome to this new tutorial of Easy Online Tutoring. Today we're going to look at long multiplication. We're very used to doing this kind of multiplication. Two digits multiplied by one digit. In this case, we're multiplying 56 by 3. First thing we do is we write the 3 in the right column, which is the units column. And so we do 3 times 6, which is 18. Write down the 8 under the units column. We take over the 10 to the tens column, write a 1. We do 3 times 5, which is 15, and add the 1, which is 16. And our answer is 168. We can now do another example. This time we do a 3-digit number multiplied by a single digit, and this time we're using a bigger number, so we have to really make sure we know our times table, our 8 times table in this instance. We draw a line underneath for neatness. We have the units, we have the tens, and we have the hundreds. So we will multiply the units initially together. 8 times, use a pointer, 8 times 7, which is 56. So we write the 6 down here, and we carry the 5 on to the tens. We multiply 8 times 5, which is 40, and add the 5, which is 45. Maybe I'll use a slightly different colour. I'm doing the multiplying, so put a 5 here, and take the 4 here to the hundreds column. We now multiply 8 times 6, which is 48, add 4, which is 52. So the 2 here, and then the 5 here. So our answer to this question, 657 times 8 is 5,256. Now, if we were to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, how would we go about doing that? Similar, it's just a bit more. We have a whole new line now of numbers to do in the tens column, but we'll work through it steadily and you'll see what happens. Again, we have the units here, have the tens here, and we have the hundreds here. We'll use a different colour to show what we're doing. 4 times 7 is 28, so we write the 8 down here. Write the 8 at the bottom here, and we carry over the 2 to the tens column. Say 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18. So again we write another 8 in the tens column. We carry over 1 to the hundreds column. And we do 4 times 2 4 times 2, sorry, let me get my pointer tool. 4 times 2, which is 8, and 1, which is 9. So you write 9 here in the hundredths column. Now we forget about the 4 because we've done the 4. Cross it out, and we now concentrate on the 3 in the tens column. So when we do a new line like that, we put a 0 in the units column, and we now go to working with the tens column here. So we say 3 times 7, which is 21, so we put a 1 down, and we carry a 2 in the tens column there. Remember that 2. And then we do 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 2, which is 14. So we write 4 here, and carry over a 1 again. Then we do 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 1, which is 7. And we write a 7 in this box here. And we draw a line for completeness, because we've got 2 columns here of numbers, 2 rows of numbers, and we need to add them together to get our final answer. So we have 8 plus 0, which is 8. We have 8 plus 1, which is 9. Nine plus 4, which is 13. So we write a 3 down here, and we carry over a 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. So we write 8 in the final box. So our answer to this question of 247 times 34, our answer is 8,398. So that's how we do long multiplication. Hope you got the same answers that I did. Well done. See you again soon. Bye.